Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. Today I am going to show you cutting of square neck design. Here we mark breadth of the neck 2 inches, shoulder 5 inches, length of the neck is 9 inches, breadth of the neck from the bottom is 2.5 inches. Combine the upper 2 inches with the bottom 2.5 inches. Make 5.5 inches on shoulders length. Chest 10 inches. Mark 9 inches for the fitting. Here the calculation goes to 9 into 2, that is 18, and 18 into 2, that is 36. So this blouse is for the 36 inches chest. This straight line is for the fitting. Now mark a small line and design the curvy neck. Let me show you the cutting process. Cutting of the square neck is done. Let me open it. So here we have our square neck cutting done. Now we will do the further cutting. Put that square string on the cloth. And mark the same alignment. Mark 1.5 inches extra from the bottom. Also mark 1.5 inches from the length as well. This is the shape of the neck. We will cut it carefully. Now I am going to set this on the blouse. Place it appropriately on the neck portion. This is how we will set it, and now I will start stitching. See, this is how we will cut it to one angle. Move it towards the other angle and start stitching. Do not third stitch in round shape. Stitch in straight line. Once again, move it towards the next angle and start stitching. See, this is how you have to stitch in straight lines only. Then only you will get the perfect square neckline. Now, cut the neckline with scissor. Roll the loosened fabric inside the stitch. So here we have perfect square neck ready. I am going to share a design for blouse neck bag. Neck measurement is 2.5 inches. Blouse is 9 inches. See the dots. Mark the chalk on 2.5 inches and join both the dots together. As you can see, we have joined both the dots together. Shoulder 3 inches. Armhole 6 inches. Chest 10 inches. As you can see, I have marked the dot on 10 inches for the chest measurement. So 10 inches for chest and mark 1 inches for extra measurement. I am showing you the arc shape of armhole. Mark a dot for 1 inches and make arc shape for the round armhole. So that was the back side. Now we'll make the design. Make a dot for 1.5 inches and draw the design. I have made the neck design. I'll cut it out and show it to you. Carefully cut the design as per the draw pattern. cut out the extra portion from this side. Here we have cut the design. Do try it out and let me know in comment section box. Today I am going to teach you blouse neck back design. See friends, this is the neck and its width is 2 inches. Length is 7 inches. Here I have embroidered blouse piece. I am going to use a lining in this blouse. See friends, here I have marked the design of V-neck. We have V-neck on embroidered designer piece. I have made drawing of the neckline design. See, we have made the neckline design according to the work on the blouse. Just have a look. Mark small cuts over the neckline as shown, and after marking the cut, flip it over. Just have a look. Now we will attach piping on neckline. If you like this video, then do like and share the video. Thanks for watching.